David, come forward.
Ready? A little bit lower, puppy. A little bit lower. Good job.
Noah, good cover, Noah.
One more, Dad. One more.
Come on, David. That's the ball, David.
Hey, if it goes up, get under it. If it goes up, get under it. Don't be scared of it.
Come on. Don't lose.
Throw it.
Throw it.
Good, David. Good job, David.
Vale. Good, Papa. Good. Good follow through. Good job, buddy. Stop him a second, boys. Stop him a second. Second.
You're picking it up and you're throwing it.
Good job, Houston. Good hustle, Papa.
Ready? Stand.
Stop him a second.
Buddy! Buddy! Ready.
Hold it. Open up. Come to your base. Cover second down. Catch it. Bring it in, boys. Bring it in. Good job, Adrian.
Back.
The lineup.
And then I fell to get the ball.
Easton and then Arkin.
What? Your uncle? Okay. You're up to bat? Not yet. I thought he's not yet. Oh, okay. I'm going to record you, okay, baby? Let's go, boys.
David.
David, I take a picture of him with Eric. Come here.
Pero te vas a third.
Ya.
No, pues ayúdalo. Ayúdalo con cara, Third base. Take your feet. Go to the point. That's the ball point, Papa.
Not David, the up move.
Go.
David. Next, baby, you're almost next. Be ready, David.
Third. Hard hit. There you go. Pick it up a little bit more.
Yeah, take Riley porque quer algo. Deja tu foto aquí, pues. Why don't you put it in your bag? At the tank, baby, okay? So I can show your mama. Okay, baby? You got it.
Hey. Kids are fast, Papa. You gotta be faster. You gotta be fast. Slide to that base. Slide.
David, what do you play first base? Third base. You know who plays third base? Me and Aaron.
Go, Ethan.
He caught your
Find the hole.
Again, papi.
Pick it up a little bit. Pick it up a little bit. Find the hole.
Hey, ready to run. Y'all same the same.
Good job.
Hey, right, push it off. That's why you gotta run faster next time, right? Hey.
Ready to run, boys. Ready to run.
Hey, Eric, come in.
Go, third.
Come here.
Get third. Come back.
Get ready, get your gloves and put on your cap.
Go, David. Back, and then throw the ball into one.
No. My glove is in there. It's in there.
Go.
Find the opening, buddy. Right there, Papa. Right there, buddy. Second, right there. Papa, lower the tee. Buddy, while we practice, take your time. Vámonos, buddy. Dale, buddy. Don't be here.
Oh my God.
Luego me dice la mamá que tiene los pants bien lejos.
Stand over there on his lap.
The first and second, no, look at the open hole. Right there, open hole. Right there. Look at your feet, Noah. Look at your feet. Noah, look at your feet, Papa.
Mom, did you see when I showed you where the ball?
Quickly! Look at the ball now! Look at the ball! Look at the ball!
Go. Come back. Bring it in, boys. Bring it in. David, te pesco, papá. Bring it in. ¿Qué onda, Ismael? They got you out, bro. You ran into me out, Ismael. Hey, if someone's in front of you with the ball, what do you do? Let's practice. I'm getting the ball. Take a good step. You gotta push. Lean on me hard. Lean on me hard. Lean on me hard. Lean on me hard. Boom. Hard. Harder. Harder. Come on me hard. Boom. When you throw, it's like you're leaning on someone. How do you throw, David? How do you throw? Lean on me. Lean on me. How do you throw? Boom. You throw like that? You gotta lean strong. Lean. Boom. Fuerte. This has to be strong power. Boom. Make a good throw to the floor. We don't do this. Catch her. Outfield. Back up, Arjun. Back up, Arjun, and down. Okay. 5-1. Sí. Hey, like 11:30.
Okay, I just want to know just so I can have my...
Sí, yeah, it did.
Yeah, because we finished late. We started late too.
No, like we were here at 11:05, 11:10. The blue estaba quién sabe dónde.
Yeah, no, when we showed up early, or at 12 o'clock when the blue was here, he goes, oh yeah, I'll take your money in the crypto.
Ah, no, sí. It was the one or something, yeah, sí. Ah, no, se tardó bastante rato ya. Yeah, no, with us the same.
Look at the feet, that's where the ball's going. Look at the feet. Get ready now, base already. Let's go, CJ, let's go. Don't look at the ball, don't look at the ball. Go, go, go. Go third, go it.
Hold it, David, hold it, Papa. Go ahead, David.
Hey, why didn't you cut the ball? Why did you cut the ball? On the ball, and get go, buddy. Let's catch it, buddy. Get the ball, just run. Touch, you're the next one. On you, David. Go, 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 come on, come on. Faster, throw. Faster, when you hit it, don't look at the ball. Stop him up first. Stop him up first. Watch him for the run. Run, look at the ball. Way to back him up, Dad. Way to back him up. Boys, hey, don't get in the way. Don't get in the way. Don't get in the way. Good throw, buddy. Hey, you're not back to him up at all. There you go. You did.
David, if it goes to you, you tag her. David.
Stop him at first, boys. Stop him at first. 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 Come on, come on. First. 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 We're ready, Noah. Ellen, don't tell my kids what to run. Don't tell my kids what to run. He's set. Second, Papa. We go second. Tom, you ready? We go second, boys. We go second. Second. There you go. Get it. Touch the base. Touch the base. Touch the base. Touch the base. Good job, Houston. Good job, David. Good job, David. David, watch the runner. If he runs, throw to the catcher. Watch the runner, David. Watch the runner. You make the call. Get ready. Third. Good job, Ismael. Good throw, papi. Good throw. Noah. Go first, boys. Marty, get the shirt, papa.
Come on, Easton. Easton first.
Good job, outfield. Hey, who's next to bat?
There you go, David.
Hey, put them in the bucket. Hey, ¿qué onda con my ball?
You're getting $40. Not yet. I thought we
Give it there, but worry about the game. Don't worry about the ball.
David, you're getting $40. David, give me some money.
Easton, come on, Easton.
Hey, David, I'm getting $40.
Edren, I'll give you a practice with your
Bye,
team.
baby. Way to go, David. Give me some, baby. I got your hit on video, but I'll send it to your mama.
David, $40. I'll give you some money, okay? No, only she give me some money, okay? But not to me.
That's really awesome, okay? Good job, boys.
I know.
Bye, David. Love you, Papa.
And they came to see you get your 2 outs, David.
David,
That ball was about too far, right?
David, you're going to get $20.
David.
40.
Remember, we owed you.
Go. That was being rude to me. David's getting $40.
Don't be rude, we're teammates. Easton, third.
It's fine.
Stop that.
Hey, can I can make a bagel fight. You're right there. See where you're around? How inside he does it. Look. Look, buddy. I have an idea.
Okay, Papa, it's okay. Hey. Hard hit.
Where do you go? What do you go to? In the... No, but what do you go to? My sister.
Come on.
Just give me some babas. I'm getting one at the back.
Hit it. Run, Papa, run. Pick it up a little bit, I'll just pick it up a little bit.
Can I have mine?
RJ. Papa, worry about the
Can
finish
I
first.
have mine?
Hey, sit down, guys, sit down. RJ.
You need a run back.
There you go. Venga. Good hit. Go. Why aren't you ready?
Ismael, this is first and second,
What do you have in your mouth? Throw it away.
Right there, good.
It's what? Okay.
Go, 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 Good job, boys.
Just water and take a seat.
Puppy,
You can hear a home run. Ready, get ready. It's funny as you don't
Right there, papá, the second. Venga. Back that back. Slide it, David, slide.
Oh, I forgot.
Segunda, papá, segunda. There you go.
No, baby, you want my kid.
Venga, hard in, papá, hard in, dog.
Yeah, get up, baby.
Get the bat, David, get the bat.
Yeah, when he was putting rocks on himself.
Bring it in, boys, bring it in, bring it in, bring it in, bring it in.
On himself, not on
Captain glove, boys, captain glove.
Come on, Captain, go.
It's the that engine now. That is the that.
Buddy, take this back.
Go, real mom. Now.
You're going to be up here.
Bring it in, 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 bring it in. Bring it in, Captain glove, Captain glove. Captain glove.
He's going to be
No,
catching the seat.
England.
Captain glove. Catch, we throw. Catch, we throw. Ismael, you're gonna go third base. Okay? Yeah, you're gonna go third base, Papa. No, you're gonna. You already played first, right? No, you're gonna go second. No, you're gonna go second. Dom, David, you guys go up. Venga, tornado go three. Buddy, rotate with Easter, Papa. Rotate with Easter.
Oh, you got to touch the base, remember? Shot foot throw. Throw. Oh, touch the base.
You're gonna get tired to the game.
Ready, Dad.
Good throw, good throw.
Come on, come back for a little bit.
Touch the base, Noah. Base behind you.
Hit the ball, good throw, what? Good throw, buddy. One foot on the base, one foot on the base, one foot on the mount, one foot on the mount. Ismael, throw it first.
Ready, Dad, it's coming right to you. Get ready, Noah. Throw it to Arjun.
Right. Top him up first, boys, top him up first.
Hey.
Good throw, boys, a good throw. Throw it,
No
throw
fighting,
it,
no
throw
fighting.
it. Get it, Arjun. Good. Good reaction, Ismael. Good reaction, Papa. Don't drop. Don't throw yourself for the ball. Noah, you ready? Stop him at second, boys. Stop him at second. Noah, if it doesn't come to you, you go to your base. Ethan, Ismael. Stop him at second. Second. Run that leg!
Hey, get over here.
Come back up, Papa. Come back up. Stop him at second. Stop him at second. Stop him at second. Oh, Dominic, when you're ready. Dom, good.
Touch the base, Noah.
Stop him at second, Dom. Dom, over here, Papa. Go. Second. Good stop. Hold it. Touch it, Papa. You got touch it.
Good stop, lad.
That was good. Next time, just make it an easy touch to Noah. Okay, good stop. Good job. Good job. Stop, Daddy. I love it. Another one. Let's go, boys. Let's go. Let's go, ready. Let's go.
Get ready, Noah.
Going first, Tornado.
Look at the ball, Noah. Get ready.
Go first, Mikey. Go first. Good. If you have to step on the base, hit it, come back. That was good, guys. That was good from Buddy. Stop him at second. Noah. Go back to the base. You ready?
Ahead.
Ready? Noah. Get it. Touch the little rope and throw it to RG. Double play. Get it. Touch the little rope. Get the ball. Be careful. Good. Darren, just make sure they're going around. It's not a bat, okay? Be careful.
Buddy, get ready to run, buddy.
Stop him at second, boys. Stop him at second.
Get back, Ismael, get back. Ismael, get back.
Hey. Go second. Right there, Papa. Don't pass the grass. All right, we stop him at third. Boys. Stop him at third. Ismael. Step on your base. Step on your base. Stop him at third, buddy. Easy stuff. Ismael in love.
Noah, pay attention. Easton. There you go. Noah, get to your base.
Somebody go first. Noah. Right there. Go to the base, boys. Get the ball. Come to your base.
Ismael, get back, Ismael.
Come on, get ready, Romeo.
Come on, buddy. Hey, buddy, you're first. Come on. Come on, you have it. Hey, good Buddy, I mean Noah. Come on, you have it.
Me and Buddy got Hey, David. Did you see the kids up there on his face? Yeah. You've been missing. That's the great pop that you want to talk. I know. Yeah, Demon Hunter too. That's great pop Demon Hunter song. Yeah, I'm like, kick off the It's like, near my school. Oh, it said Cuckoo Gaga. Oh, this is in my school. This is in my school. That's my dad. I did this. That's a bee. A bee just got right on me. A bee just got right on me. Get your mouth. It's gonna sting you.
Hey guys, stop. Come on.
Kali was messing with the bee.
That's what you have to do. Let's go.
Yeah, one just got on me.
I need Easton right
Yeah,
here.
he's getting like that. Yeah, like that. I killed you. Yeah, I killed it. It's because we're big and the bees are small. I killed it. I get overstand and and they go there. Where I should be. The big one. Look at the back. Hey, imagine. You guys, get out of the light. You don't know how to do Spidey thing. Just get out on the trampoline. I'm not doing that one now. Well, Daddy. Mommy's it. Oh, your mommy's next. Who's that? Stop. This?
Find the hole, Papa. Noah. Find the hole. Where we open. Find the hole.
Like it, look.
There you go. See, Papa. Exactly like that, bud. What's going on?
Who's next?
Get ready now.
You doing your next? Hey, it's safe, Pablo! Hey, it's safe! No, it's safe! It's safe! It's safe! Safe!
Buddy.
It's safe, you! No, it's safe! See the cameras? Because he didn't tag it now, and he didn't even touch the base. He just fell. The camera's off. What? The camera's off. It's not the same. Guys, get it, Lucky. Just set on the butt. That one's or side on same. Side.
Papa, slowly.
So, you
No. I said to third.
you don't say.
There. No. Buddy. Buddy first, Papa. Mira. Go. Stop it first. Tornadoes, you're running through it now. We don't stop at first base. Ready, Papa? Noah, look at the ball, Noah.
Go get in.
More. There. Go ahead and go. Go, Noah, go. Do it now. Go, Noah. Go. First and second, Hey, you need a run back.
You know, buddy, that's too fast. Wait, you got new shoes?
Maya, to third, Papa. To third.
Look at those new shoes. Papi, look at those shoes.
Third, RJ, go. Go.
Gotta hit that ball, okay? Gotta look at it. Go.
Remember, run him through.
He's not in my way. I'll figure it out. I like it. What the? I'm literally, I don't do that one. I'm literally up to that. Like I'm almost up to that.
Get there, slide.
Look.
Hey, the base, bro. Hey. Yeah, get it back. Tired. Bring it in.
When we're done.
Almost. Bring it in.
Fucking anyway.
We don't have people for you to rest, papi. You'll be outfield. Go, boys. Captain Gloves. Véngase, Captain Gloves. Almost done. Almost done. I think they're gonna call him. It's like como que it's in a 3, 5, 3. Yeah, but we call it. Sí, pero it's too early porque empezó bien tarde. No ni 45 minutes. Bring it in, boys. Bring it in. On the base.
We're done? Yes!
Happy to throw the gloves.
Are they playing back to back like us?
They're for the second place with us. Whose bat is this? Arjun, is it? Adrian, your bat, clear it away.
Yes, we did it.
Oh, that's your water.
Oh, no one said no. This is the championship. Yes, it is. But the right, this is the championship.
Yeah. Who is this?
David, you are the champion. Hey guys, Well, you're champion.
here, buddy.